Be my assistant?
You'll have to be my assistant.
Mm-hmm. Hey, welcome back to the Terrace Balloon Man channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple unicorn balloon. Because all little girls love unicorns.
I like My Little Pony.
And this particular one was requested to me by this person here over at Unicorns Are Real YouTube channel.
My butt's in the camera.
I know. Okay, up, up, up. Down, down, down. Okay, I used to make a lot of these back when I did line work.
Hi.
I used to save all the broken pieces of the white balloons to specifically to use as unicorn horns. Now you can make a horse with a single balloon design. To watch that, click the link in the description because
I doesn't have a horn.
I know. Because I'm not making Pinkie Pie. For this particular one, back when I used to do line work, I used a second balloon to make the hair and the tail. It just looks so much more vibrant. I didn't always use a second one for the tail, but if there was time, I did. So start off with a good sized tail because there's a lot of twists in a horse. Make 2 small pinch twists here. They're going to form the big lips on the horse.
That horse doesn't have a lip.
Well, the balloon horse does. So you have something like that. It's like the big horse lips. Give it a small head and make 2 bubbles for the ears. Like that. Make them about the same size and twist them together. And decide how long you want the neck to be. Make 2 legs. This is a real basic body right here. Decide how long Decide how long you want the body to be. Take the 2 back legs.
Sparkle, that's my name.
Twilight Sparkle.
My daddy's name is Cab.
Yeah. Okay.
Actually, Spike.
Now, if you're going to use a different color for the tail, you're going to want to break this off right here and tie it off good. And you will tie the other balloon to that when you're ready to make it.
Ah!
I'm using a 160 yellow for the mane and the tail.
Why can't I get my butt in the camera?
So I'm going to take this part here, tie it into there. I'm going to make a string of 6 to 8 bubbles depending on the size and loop them up around here, over the ears and back down again. You probably use 4 per side when you're using a 160 and you have a long neck like that.
I don't want to be put down. No.
Like that, and I'm going to tie them around the ears. And I'm going to come back down the other side.
No, I don't want to be tied down. No, I don't want to be tied down again.
So I made a string of bubbles to come on the other side, and they're going back down and be tied into the legs. And you're left with something that looks like that. I'm going to break this off, tie it off, and use the excess for the tails. Leilani, come and hold this for me.
So.
Okay, now we're going to tie it off.
It's broken.
Well, yeah, I know, but you go like this. Like that. Plate the remainder all the way and decide how long you want it to be. Assistant, I need you to grab me the balloon. Assistant, grab the balloon. Tie it off.
Twilight.
Break off the excess here.
Power.
Come on.
I mean power.
Come on. Okay. Now your best bet is to actually tie this piece of balloon here to this piece here so that it stays on really, really good. Still wrap it around together, of course. Leilani, don't put your feet in my pockets, okay? Now you can just do it like that, but if you want to have more control of the tail, you need to make a pinch twist here to so you can point the tail how you want. So make a bubble. Yeah, that's from That's from the cat video. If you want to watch that one, click the link in the description or the card somewhere around here. I'm gonna pinch twist the bubble there. Position the tail how you want it. Keep the excess pieces.
Can I sit down here for a minute?
Yeah, yes, you
Okay.
can. Yeah. So this is where I'm at so far. And if a kid asked for a horse, this is what they usually got. I'd say what color you want, but for most girls it was like a pink and purple kind of thing. Or if they just told me one color, I'd say, and what color do you want the hair, as I was working on the body of the horse. But for a unicorn, it's just this, draw some eyes and put on the horn. A broken piece of white balloon, just a little puff of air in it, just to make it stand upright, and then tie it off and twist that into the ear section. You can of course use a 160 piece for that, but being a lot thinner it just didn't look as good. The 260 looks a lot better.
Daddy, when can I get my butt in the camera?
Oh, I don't want your butt in the camera.
Daddy, it's funny.
Okay, I know. Hang on. I gotta get closer to draw the eyes. Okay.
I'll get you some eyes.
No, I'm just drawing eyes. You can of course just draw that for the eyes and give it some eyelashes, because according to my daughters, they're always girls. You know, or you can experiment with doing a fancier eye that I'm not any good at. Yeah, whatever. Just stick to what works for you. But you can make this incredibly fast. I used to do it all the time for line work. Never had kids climbing on me like this while I was doing it. But I made a lot of these, and so can you. Thanks for watching. Talk to you again next week.
Bye. Talk to you next week too.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Oh, is that a candy cane?
No, get back here.